Elder J.K. Rogers and Kingdom Minded Ministries present the teleconference revival of the year entitled Don't Break Down, Break Through. This annual teleconference revival will be held the week of December 2nd through December 8th, 2012, starting each night promptly at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Beginning Sunday, December 2nd, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m. with special guests including national recording artist Yasmin Sori, Apostle Stacy Woods, a pastor of Impact Ministries, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Dr. Stephen Surratt of Kingdom Builders Ministries, Washington, D.C. Monday, December the 3rd, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m., national recording artist Minister Brent Jones of Brent Jones and the TP Mob of Los Angeles, California, and Pastor Jacqueline DeLise Ray, assistant pastor of Angie Ray Ministries, Matson, Illinois. Tuesday, December 4th, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m., the one and only and national recording artist Evangelist Sarah Jordan Powell and Dr. Beatrice Gardner, pastor of Rehoboth Outreach Christian Center, Dallas, Texas. Wednesday, December 5th, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m., national recording artist Algeron Wright, along with the First Lady of Praise and Worship and the President of the International Musical Department of the Church of God in Christ herself, Dr. Judith Christie McAllister. Thursday, December 6th, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m., national recording artist Tina Watson Conley of Chicago, Illinois, and Evangelist Shirley Green of the Monument of Faith Evangelistic Church of Chicago, Illinois, Apostle Richard Hinton, pastor. Friday, December 7th, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m., national recording artist and psalmist Tanya Ray of Angie Ray Ministries, Matson, Illinois, along with Pastor Donzella Hawkins Rogers, senior pastor and founder of the Upper Room Action Ministries, Akron, Ohio. Saturday, December 8th, 2012 at 7 o'clock p.m., Elder G. LeBron Smith of Alabama, along with Pastor Virgil and First Lady Jean Johnson of True Life Christian Ministries, Sacramento, California, along with Apostle Denise Clark Bradford, the daughter of the late Dr. Maddie Moss Clark. Closing out this mighty move of God, this powerful prayer conference will be none other than the founder and CEO of Kingdom Minded Ministries, your one-stop shop for everything kingdom, Elder J.K. Rogers, with Midnight Fire Prayer, starting every Saturday night at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tap your neighbor and tell him you can't afford to miss this free event. This teleconference prayer revival is dedicated to every sick and shut-in individual all over the world. Please join us each night of the teleconference revival by dialing in promptly to area code 1-712-432-3066. That number again is area code 1-712-432-3066. Please enter the access code 503-691 when prompted to. For more information, follow Elder Rogers on Twitter at Elder J.K. Rogers or add him on Facebook at Kingdom Minded Ministries. Please rate and subscribe to this channel and add a comment below. Kingdom blessings.